In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a recurring task in Todoist. Let's start from the very beginning so you can follow along easily, even if you're new to Todoist. First, make sure you're on your main task view or in the specific project where you want this recurring task to live. Once you're there, look for the option to add a new task. This is usually a button labeled Add Task, often found at the bottom of your task list or near the top of the screen, depending on your device. Go ahead and click on Add Task. A new task input box will appear where you can type the name of your task. Enter a clear, descriptive title so you'll always know what it is at a glance. For example, something like Review Weekly Goals or Water the Plants. By default, Todoist usually suggests today as the due date. You'll see this either as a small date label or a field next to your task name. Click on Today to open the date picker. This is where the recurring magic happens. Instead of just choosing a single date, you can type natural language phrases that Todoist understands, such as every day, every Monday, or on the first of every month. As you type, follow the on-screen prompts Todoist shows you. It will often suggest recurring patterns or clarify how often the task will repeat. For instance, if you start typing every, you might see examples that help you refine what you want. Pay attention to the small preview below the date field. It usually tells you when the next occurrence will be, which is a great way to confirm you've set it correctly. If you're unsure, try simple phrases first, like every day at 9 a.m. or every Friday. Todoist will automatically interpret these and set the recurrence for you. Once you're happy with the task name and the recurring date, confirm the task by clicking the button to save or add it. You should now see your new task in the list with the recurring icon or label, indicating it will show up again after you complete it. That's all there is to it. By clicking Add Task, adjusting the default today date, and carefully following the on-screen prompts, you can quickly create powerful recurring tasks that keep you organized without any extra effort.